Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Dr. MJ Khan and you are watching a special analytical video on the Pakistan Politics Culture platform, where today we are discussing a highly serious and globally dangerous situation. The covert and overt war that began in 2025 between Iran and Israel, which has now escalated into full-fledged regional crisis, with the repercussions being felt far beyond the Middle East. This just a conflict between two nations. It is rooted in hidden powers, intelligence networks, economics, conspiracies, and long-standing geopolitical interests that are now coming to the surface. On June 13, Israel launched a massive strike under the name Operation Rising Lion, deploying over 100 drones, cruise missiles, simultaneously targeting Iran's sensitive sites.